Last week I had the best soap idea ever and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it, so let's do it. Today we are mixing all different types of neon colors. I made 7 different batters, so 7 different colors, 7 different fragrances, and I'm pouring them into my loaves in all different techniques. So we've got a drop swirl, we've got an in the pot swirl, we've got it in the mold swirl, we've got some layers. There's so much happening here. This was chaos. But if you know me at all, you know that I thrive in chaos. That's probably why I like soap making so much. So I'm going to go over some of the fragrances I used. The gorgeous orange color I'm pouring is a Starfruit and Mandarin fragrance. The yellow is a raspberry lemonade. The purple color is a Rainforest fragrance. The blue color is Aqua di Gio or a beach fragrance. The green is a Honeydew Melon. The pink is a Hibiscus Waterfall. And the Uncolored batter is a berries and pear. So it'll be really interesting to see how all these fragrances combine in each of the different loaves. And if you stick around till the end, you'll get to see all the loaves being chopped up. If you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow, and I've got so much more soap content to show you guys, so make sure you stick around. So this is the last layer in the layered rainbow neon soap, which I can't wait to cut. And then in this next bucket here, I'm going to be doing an in-pot swirl. So I'm mixing all the colors into a pot. I'll give it a little swirl in the pot and then pour it into the mold. And that will give me lots more swirls, lots more texture, and all the colors kind of intermingling together. So this is the very last loaf. It ended up kind of being a little bit of a mini loaf. Again, I must have overpoured the other loaves. I'm not sure how I keep doing that. I'll have to adjust my batter or something. But yeah, so it's just kind of like a little half loaf. And then I decided to add a little heart to one of them just because why not? I had some ready. And then now we get to chop them up. So I will let you enjoy because this is the best part of soap making. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you back here soon.